Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to register MeetMe account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the MeetMe application. If you don't have that application, simply install that from Google Play Store. Once you do that, open up the application. And after you open that up, you will land on this page since we don't have an account yet. So first of all, you have to enter your name, or else you can also continue signing in with your Facebook as well. If you don't want to do that, now enter your name, and under that enter your email address. Now you have to create a password. Once you're done with that, under that enter your birthday. Now again enter your gender, and under that enter your location. First of all, select your country. Once you select your country, then tap on sign up for free. After that, you will have an account on MeetMe, and then you can start connecting with people. So that's how you can register MeetMe account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get update the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.